What exactly is postpartum? It is just a period of time that begins after the litter is whelped or delivered for our female dogs. Okay. Clinically, we are looking at this period as lasting anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. I did a survey with my recent group of clients, and they all thought that the postpartum period for their female dog was 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. So it's important that we understand that that period for them, clinically speaking, so we're talking about hormones and so forth in their bodies, it's lasting anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. Let's say your dog was on a conditioning routine before she was bred and she stayed on an adapted routine during her pregnancy. She had a perfect pregnancy, like textbook. Everything went as scheduled. She delivered right within the window, had no trouble with the labor and delivery, was able to nurse all of the puppies. They were weaned properly, and she was just overall physically fit, so she was prepared to return back. That picture perfect dog, I would start back on a slow routine around the 8 week mark. The rear is now all tucked underneath her, and what is really happening hard and what's working overtime here is our core. Okay, we're working the muscles that line along the top, so we're working that top line, and we're also working our lower muscles so we don't have the sag that creates that slouchy soft top line. Let's say you did this in the morning or in the early day, and now you want to try another set. When you go to do your second set, you're still going to start with 3 reps.